Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you folks how to multiply base of 100 over 10, which equals 10 as your aspect ratio. So 100 as the working base, 10 is your actual base, and 10 equals aspect ratio. So here we go. 109 times 17. As you can see, 109 is above the base of the above the working base of 100 by 9, because 100 plus 9 equals 109. So you can write plus 9 across here. Next one, 17. 17 is above the actual base of 10, because 10 plus 7 equals 17, so we're going to write plus 7 right here. The next step is to crisscross here to here. You can add and multiply, or crisscross here to here, multiply and add. And here's what I'm talking about. So you can either say, like this, a colon, 109 plus 7 times the aspect ratio of 10. So 109 plus 7 times 10 equals 179. Or you can do it this way. I'm going to write more here. Parentheses, 17 times aspect ratio of 10 plus 9 equals 179. So either way, it's going to be 179 on the left side. So we're going to write 179 right here. Next step is to multiply 9 times 7, which equals 63. Now, as you can see, I'll tell you what, I'm going to write 100 over 10, which equals 10. So 100 is the working base, 10 is the actual base, and 10 is the aspect ratio, because 100 divided by 10 equals 10. So anyways, 63 is above the actual base 10. So what do we do next? We carry 6 over. So then we add 179 plus 6 equals 185. Bring 3 down. Next step, let's plug those numbers together. You got 1,853 as our final answer. Alrighty. Next one, 119 times 7. So we're going to write a formula here where it's just 100, the working base, 10 is the actual base, which equals 10 as your aspect ratio. As you can see, 119 is above the working base of 100 by 19. So you write plus 19 across. 7 is below the actual base of 10 by 3, because 10 minus 7 equals 3. So we write minus 3 right here. Now the next step, we can either subtract, multiply, or multiply and add. So for example, look at colon here. 119 minus 3 times the aspect ratio of 10 equals, let's see, so 119, 30, 89. Or you can do it this way. 7 times the aspect ratio of 10 plus 19 equals 89. So either way, you'll get 89 on the left side. So write 89 right here. Next step is to multiply 19 times negative 3, which equals negative 57. So you got 89 on the left side, negative 57 on the right side. Now you notice that 57 is above the actual base of 10. So what we do next, we carry this negative 5 over. So we're going to carry this negative 5 over, and we subtract 89 minus 5, which equals 84. Bring 7 down. Now since we're dealing with a negative number, we have to find the complement of 7 and subtract 84 by 1. So 84 minus 1 equals 83. And the complement of 7 is the same thing as using the actual base 10 10 minus 7 equals 3. So the complement of 7 is 3. So bring 3 here. Plug these three numbers together, you get 833 as our final answer. All right, next one, 93 times 8. We're going to make this 100 as the working base, 10 as the actual base, which equals 10 as our aspect ratio. So as you can see, 93 is below the base working base of 100 by 7. So we're going to write negative 7 across. 8 is below the actual base of 10 by 2, because 10 minus 8 equals 2. So we're going to minus 2 right here. So there's two ways we can do it. We can either subtract, multiply, or multiply, subtract. So we can do it this way. 93 minus 2 times the aspect ratio of 10 equals, let's see here, 73. Or 8 times the aspect ratio of 10 minus 7 equals 73. So either way, it's going to be 73 on the left side. So we write 73 here. Now next step is to multiply negative 7 times negative 2, which equals 14. Now you got 73 on the left side, 14 on the right side. And as you can see, 14 is above the actual base of 10 by 4. Because 10 plus 4 is 14. So what we do next, carry 1 over and add 73 plus 1 equals 74. Slash mark, bring the other 4 down. Or excuse me, bring the 4 down. And the next step is plug these numbers together, and the answer is 744 as our final answer. And that is how we can multiply the base of 100 divided by 10, which equals 10 as our aspect ratio. Overall, I hope this helps. Until next time, signing off.